It's dim and dark in the city of Suva now. So we are begging you to come with your proper uniform. And be careful. Maintain the healthy of our lives.
Gusto kata-kata raki doon makatiko sa ako ni nakatian ni marutaki na non tabi tokani ana matakani ko. Very good morning to John Rembo. Wani ni nakatian ni TV Place in Kinoya. Sa Andina binawale mo semutu mai. Watalakin good morning to Bani Siradule. Shaking and duck nga okemuni. Binawale tuno ko ni shaking and duck nga okemuni.
Yosebodina. Yosebodina ko.
Yosebodina. Yosebodina. Polini uda kay Nisi Radule. And alumni JD079. A very good morning to you. Leo Kabika.
Who? Oh, Epanas. Mula ka to Leo Kabika, the only Quebecs.
So
in the world. Who is very, very good. He said only the fruits will begging fruits. The Butu and the Kabika. Mula ka to John Rebo binawale usara and Seko Junior Rekalebu. Not forgetting Puna Lewa and Abu and JD. They are joining this morning. Good morning to you, Puna, Hulk, Major, Abusta, and also to Lewa and JD joining this morning.
Okay.
Kita naman sumi kimanil bebito di sama sumi bayawan ng onongo pagkataka bulingande garibi ka bunuway. Pagka ikibri sa lagi pagka tiku-tiku derbe se burburra nian rani mata binaka.
Yan rabunaka ramaleka we keep doing a job to gori and wala ni kaukamea. Walu being on a blue scope still. Babi ni tiko berton being karabe na tiko kaya taxis. And book ni valele and we ka be kena be mataka be kito binabale sar semo Joseph Tehana and mataka ni bagada misigini ko.
Okay, we kibri na kanda ko ni talon din ako membeleti tamayab nango na may taro taka kina na korturang suba.
Easily.
Sige bibulu tumay. Itirin pa binaka nangona ya. Abi lo manoko ya.
Belio bisa.
Nafay mandanga mataki na ubisa.
I was dreaming to walk in come.
Betul ko ni talon ko. Nan tatanro ko ya. Ilo manoko ya. Ilo manoko ya. Ko ikila ko ni ronida kawana takatak.
All right.
Endota ni nona rai. Endota ni nona tu rai. Na bi recrutaki.
Boleh tenir sarkila irsa. Vayam pa kina nona bi recrutaki.
Over to you Demesh.
This for my walking wear.
Anywhere.
Numpang karatatak.
I was looking for job. That time, when I was schooling, we need money.
Okay.
We need to work and help our parents.
All right.
We want to help the community.
Right.
We want to help the organization, the youth. We want to be so example to the younger generation that we can do the work.
All right.
We just don't go to school for the sake of going to school. We just want something so that to end the peer pressure, to end the Masulawa, to end the roaming around, but to gain something, so that we can show example to the younger generation, to the brothers and the sisters, not within the village, within the community, school, the community, the district, the province, and also to the people around you. So I was looking for a job. Before I went up,
sul bakatang eta urti ko baka ruang batara kina kali buka.
True story this one.
Daur po ruang dua sa kami bisu sul bakatang.
I was trying my very best to throw in the firefighter.
Right.
I was recruited 2 times.
Recruit
2 times.
I
came here, I trained at Walubay.
Okay.
So when
Galo.
Everything, the pulling of the rope, where the benching, pulling up using the gas lala, in the one inside of the barola, you crawling inside the tunnel.
Right.
Kalamati. Darilama, you come back using your elbow. So come back. We swim in the Olympic pool. We're going for the exam.
Kaya top takir cumi kinoko ya.
I don't know where I'm falling. I don't know.
Dia malu-malu muna bakasam.
Lalu tu mana korot sa tirin tangamay.
I was no.
Ondi wente onto na buni mango. Def tak onto na buni ni lima mita.
Saan na?
Mangi. And I was trying my very best. I want to through. Fall 2 times. I thank the police.
Kau sampai kata Jack ma.
Jack ma.
I was thanking the police. I fall. I fall. Tu no kanuleka.
You fall from the police.
Fall from the police. Uluto. Seni tu kunepaturu.
Yeah.
Mbona karoti day. Yeah. I was fall from the uluto mekina.
Yeah.
So I was trying forestry.
Forestry.
Yeah.
Climb the mahogany.
Sekali climb the mahogany.
Iya.
Ya dola cara dora buni mahogany.
Iya. Meleka.
Iya.
From there,
Iya.
I was through.
Yeah.
But I was not, that's not my field.
Okay. You're not
Yeah.
interested.
Yeah, I want to...
But why you want to go there in the first place?
Who? No, because one fella was asking me to the forest.
Apply to hell.
Apply to hell, melengkesa. Dan
Ano
from...
to kunang ilos ya iko nang pula tao mundo. Abang ko kasi ang umbese. Ang kaysa nako.
Mata nawain, doon na udiway tao kay mata. Then from there,
Yeah.
I was leave school.
Yeah.
I went back in the village.
Right.
I was doing farming
Yeah.
because when I was in school, like from 5, from 6, from 7,
Yeah.
I was doing farming. Like Saturday class, I went doing my grog farm.
Ah.
From there, I come back. When I come back, I was in the mood of farming.
Yeah.
So I was doing this announcing,
Yeah.
like for fun,
Okay. In the village.
in the village. When I was in school.
Asa mo stu ya?
Oh, how much too?
SMP ra. Kalau mau warna moka. So from there, I was asking myself, what job suit me? So I was like, talkative ko na bosa-bosa. So I went back to the village. From there, we did one was preparing for the wedding going to Nabosa, Nukuilau.
Okay.
Noikoron Nabosa. One of my sister, Pambula Tube Tabale John Gulirabu, and sister Alitia Letikana Padia for joining this morning, and the people from Nukuilau. From there, we was going to Nandongo to one of my family, one of my uncle, Momore.
Everywhere you go.
No, before we going there, he said, my responsibility, I was the carrier.
Okay.
Right from the village, right to... So you come and pull the angona here.
Okay.
At my farm.
Right.
We take it there.
We do the job.
Yeah.
From there, one break.
Yeah.
We do one announcing.
Yeah.
We start in count. Okay, $200 buke.
Yeah.
Ronan raw na tamata, nambuke. We get to do kita. So we doing after that. When we are tired, we keep our mouth shut.
Yeah.
Ningon na santa wala kina santa wanga ngalu.
Yeah.
So from there,
Yeah. Continue.
hey,
The radio on.
satin karon nakaloko. From there, continue. Ala ko sarata nakadikadi kya.
One small commentary.
One small commentary. Commentary. Finish the commentary. Laugh. Everybody laugh. Okay, continue with the work. We did one video from there. I don't know who put it up. But I was surprised. I was so kita tala. News story that when the thing was uploaded on Facebook. From there we go to Nukuilau, Nabosa.
Angela Mbuki say you are everywhere.
Who's that?
Angela said you are everywhere.
From there we going to Nukuilau for
He's
the
a
wedding.
Lombula.
Yeah. See, Bill said everywhere you go, got a female dog.
Then we go to Nukuilau, Nabosa. After the wedding, we come back.
Right.
We come back. So one carnival was happening in the Balew.
Mori.
So I was asking my mom, we have to go to on Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday we have to go back to the village. I tell my mom, I want to closing the carnival.
Alright.
I will not me usong on carnival because maybe when I go back, I don't know what time again I'll back to Suba. Because we are back on farming again.
Serawaya.
Yeah. So when they go,
Walele carnival.
yeah, one carnival was happening in the Balew. I was staying back. When I staying back, I asked myself, he give my mama give me my trousers? No. And my bag, I said, you take the bag, just put in the plastic.
Yeah.
My clothes and my toothbrush set.
Don't bring the toothbrush.
With the toothbrush, me mangangaluti ko.
Yeah.
Then from there they go.
Yeah.
On Saturday, we was staying back with my Lubin Nongada, Tony Sunday. Baru tu minggu my way na loka may walau. Kalau nak tamay John Gulirabu. From there I was staying back. I tell John, the people in Mbusa was calling me Mbusa. Hey, Inde, you had one story. Whose story?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, your name was calling on the radio. You have to interview on tomorrow, Saturday. I was telling John, they had it from Green Valley. The Mbumbota and them, they was calling,
Right.
So I said, John, you go?
Yeah.
We already pay our ticket, only $5 keep.
Right.
That's the only money I got in my pocket.
$5.
Because we talking like this, kami to bango, Ni sambuto ko na punong ko, may palolo mapiti. You don't know what time again you're gonna reach Suba. So no sleeping. Reporting time for the theater flea market. We was roaming around in Valelebu with John. You know nga last night
No girls.
Are the time. We go up and down. I said, John, you go to the village. I have to stay back.
Up and down the lamppost.
From there, John asked me, why you wanna leave? Why you wanna stay? No, I want to try this. You have to go. Don't tell the meaning of staying back. Kulit ko na korna na kininungkuti ko may.
Right.
Baleta kila I do sure na bosa kabayan na pangala. When we was there, John asked me again, you go or you stay? I stay. $5. Are, first time I came here for the interview. I don't have any suit. I just wear baby clothes. Baby clothes me gusi. Ombusa size nearly 40. Myself size 32. Magsulbatanga. And I try mbusa size to reach my
waist.
Me kereta ba. Rumah itu mo kana mo ndio kina sulbatanga. Wabi barua. Up and down. Muwabinga, then we Takin. Tatingu, satakin, mo ngayon rata membele na so bumelte me kun lore na ndindi. I was telling me, and I don't have Asus. I don't have Asus. Flip-flop me de muri. Ada ko na ni baba ko katuna
Sibo.
No.
Rito.
No, Rito ko remember ni kama.
Kedis. Charlie.
They usaray ka na tarataka. No more job. The song is Dalamada. Yung ngayon Benarito. Ako menongo si pula-pula na abang ulang plasta. Ola sarusa.
Zero Bites, the delicious cumin-loaded snack in the yellow pack. A quality product from Punja's Biscuits.
Natalon ni Nono kata ko.
Ako siya talon na kaka.
Talon ni Dems Doon mga bulit siya. Doon bulit mo siya. Medan doon sa sang. Bata talay di siya weekend. Kaya na dorbo ngonelew ang bulit siya na baking ko. Kaya na dorbo ni sa ngagarama ko siya may. Oy ko mo nakakita siya ng review ko. Mo kailangan na dapat siya review ko. Rarosar no mo pangkaran no mo tratak.
Right.
Ana wekata kaya sarchu may bagay may mbua. Sini matal mo tabo ng butu kiso pa kenda na chungo ko may korda kadaka. Kata na tungang gori. Tabo le mento no mo tratak. Berni tabo ng baging ko.
Ngoja Messi.
Au mi kagalo mo.
So, lambas sa mata.